Hey everyone, and welcome to my first video. I'm a futures trader and especially Nasdaq, and today is January 19, 2024.
When we get a gap up like this against a big level, everyone comes in and wants to load up long, and it's like, oh yeah, we're gonna shoot to the moon, dude. It takes.
Well, that was my mentor's voice. He's on live, and we are waiting for trading setup so that we can trade. Okay, it's already past midnight, so let's just explain what I did today with the trade. January 19th, 2024. We were expecting a short on hard rejection. So when we open, this is NQ. When we open here, so this is a pivot line, pivot level. So we bounced pre-market over here, and then we tried to break it and retest. So it lost the pivot level at open, had the low of the day around here, and then it bounced back. I tried to short around here. I was looking at this candle. It was a rejection of the pivot level and opening below the pivot level. So I entered my first short trade around here, rode it all the way down to here, and I was still expecting more downside, but I don't remember the target, my bad, but I was expecting more, and it would been a good crossover play if we didn't have these two candles bouncing off and not making a new lower new low of the day. So my stop loss was just above the pivot level at 172.21, and we bounced off around the same higher low of the day. Okay, this candle, in the meantime, the purple candle triggered. So I didn't get out. I was expecting to get to my stop loss and get another rejection. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 minutes passed by, and then it was still in purple candles. And at that point, the mega cap ETF was in purple, the VIX was riding down, and Apple was in purples as well. So my stop loss hit around here. Sorry, my bad. My stop loss hit around here. I got out. I took a $555 loss around here. And we are trading NQ, real money. So it's volatile and it's $20 per point. So we rode here to the purple candle, and the purple candle stopped around here. So it's one trade that if I took the purple one, I could have made the money, and just not having the stop loss, and also being in the short profit if I just switched and reversed. Anyways, I think this is the weekly low, last week low. So we tried to break, we could not, we got down. So at this point, what the main mistake that what I did was I didn't wait for another pop too short, because I was expecting a volume divergence strategy. That's the only strategy that is clear to me, and that's what I have been trading and getting more success on. All right, so I took another trade to short around here. After this, I think around here, because this is the candle that showed the rejection for this to break this level. So I took a short around here, and my stop loss was around here. I wrote it all the way down to 172.28. My bad. Yeah, 172.28. And I was in profit. It was around 30 points profit, and the loss that I took around here, it all recovered here. But I didn't close the trade, and I was expecting more 10 points to another pivot level, because that was 172.28 and this is 172.17. My mentor, he was expecting to the view up, and if we get below the view up is the bonus. I didn't have the view up as my target. I had this pivot level as my target. So for 10 more points, I saw these three candles waking upside, showing bullish strength. So it reversed and made a new high of the day, and I should have got out, because that's the stop loss. I didn't. I was still in the trade, and then it got rejected again, and we came to this, and this was around I think 23 points around here. That's 20 points. That's, yeah, 20 points. But I didn't get out here either. Then this candle showed up at doji, and we all know that doji means nothing. The buyer or the seller, it doesn't mean anything. Indecision. So then the purple candle triggered. What I had to do was just break even and get out and take the $555 loss for the day and call it a day. Because when starting the day, today is OPEX, and I wasn't planning to trade at all. So that's another mistake. If I planned to not trade, I shouldn't have traded. Anyways, this one stop, I didn't got out. This stop triggered purple candles. I didn't get out. I rode all the way to 80 points. So my entry was here, 172.62, and 80 points is I think around here somewhere. At this point, when this broke, I got out, and for another trade I took around $1,500 loss just on the second trade, because I was taking around 80 points loss. I got out, I got frustrated, and it rallied. Look at that. It kept going and going, and the purple candle was there. So if I got in, even if I got in here, 172.62, I could ride all the way up to at least here. That's 173.70. 173.70. That's 172. 172.64. Okay, let's say 64. Let me get back, do the math and get back. Okay, so that's 107 points. And my stop loss should have been over here. And this one is 172.28. 172.28. Okay, I'm back. So my stop loss for this second trade should have been 36 points from here to here if I entered the moment purple candle triggered, and ride it all the way up to, I would say, this candle, below this candle, because I freak out, I panic. So let's see here. That's 107 points. And also the bars over here, it turned from cyan to blue, and this blue, when it turns blue, you should take some of your contracts off or get out, close your trade and get out. So that's one. So that could have been a nice trade if I took and reverse rather than being a stubborn bear. And I took, in total, I took like around $2,500 loss today. So that's that. I'm not feeling right. Honestly, I'm not feeling good, but the damage is done. And that's a very expensive lesson to learn if I can learn from it. And I hope that I don't make those mistakes again from next on. Alright, thank you for watching, and this is my first video of my trading log, and I'll see you next time. Bye.